to. In this, what we will do is we'll actually add a nav bar on the top of the page, and then we'll add login page and the register page. So let's see how we can do that. So basically, we'll go to Bootstrap. Bootstrap. Getting started. What we'll do is we'll search for Nav Bar. Okay. So there are different nav bars over here. I will basically select the first one, which is there. I'll just copy this. So I copy this nav bar, and what I will do is when I look over here, let's see where the nav bar is. Nav bar is basically in the app.view, which is the top part. You can see that there's a nav and there's a router link, home and about and stuff like that. So what we'll do is we'll select all of this. We'll comment all of this. So we save that. And oh yeah, by the way, we'll actually say npm run serve. So this will keep running on the background, and if we make any changes, it'll immediately deploy to the web page. And we should also actually keep a copy of localhost running at the same time. So you can see that the top thing actually went away. So that thing actually went away. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll say command V. We save all of that. As soon as we save it, we can see that we have a nav bar over there, which is perfect. So let's look at the nav bar. This says nav bar, so we probably should make it to Northeastern University Twitter. I don't want the disabled. I don't want the drop down. I'll basically keep to home and about over here, and then I'll figure out what to do with this. Okay, so let's see how we can change that. So we have our app ID, which is here, and then I'll right click and format document, which makes it look a little bit better. And then over here, I'll say instead of Navbar, I'll say Northeastern University Twitter. And as you can see, as soon as I do a Control S, this actually gets updated. Okay, so then there is home, which is this one. So that is the home. So we leave that. We leave the link. We'll call this as about. Okay, or about, like this. And then the drop down will basically remove the drop down. And we'll remove the disabled one. Okay, so those things are gone. So those things are gone. Home and about is there. And then we can see that there is a submit and a search over there. So we'll figure out what to do about that. Instead of that, what we will do is, instead of a class nav link, what we'll do is we'll actually use these two. Right, so we'll say Control C. Then we come over here. Actually, instead of this, we will remove this, and then we will actually make it like this. Okay, and then all we have to do is add the class. So we'll say class is equal to nav-link. Okay, and for the second one, actually nav-link is coming up. Home is there, nav item active, and then there is about. So we'll actually copy about too, and then put it over here. They are just placeholders right now. And then we'll say we'll add a class. So we'll say class is equal to nav-link. Okay, so these things are up, and I don't know why there's a space over here and then about is there. So MR auto, I don't know about that, but we'll try to fix that. We'll try to fix that later on. But this looks halfway decent right now. And I don't know where this I is coming from. maybe function F12 and then try to see what this is. There is something over here. I don't know what that is. So, oh, there's this thing. Okay, I'll save this and then format the document. Save this again. Okay, now things actually look much better. Okay, so now there's a search and this search and the and this button. So instead of the search button, we'll actually name it as instead of the search button, we'll call this as register. Okay, so that's a register, and then the search, instead of this, we'll delete this and we'll add a router link or something over here, and we'll call this as login. And this should go to login page. Okay, so we save all of that. Come over here, we can say that this is login and this is register. Maybe the register button can be a little bit different, color can be a little bit different, but that looks like it's good. So button dash online slash primary. So generally primary in Bootstrap gives a blue color. Okay, so now the register is looking like this, login is looking like this. These things are good. I think we are good. The nav bar actually does look good. Okay, so we'll save this, and maybe after this nav bar we'll add a line break, and we'll format the document, and we will remove all of this. Okay, so things look actually good over here. So that is good. Next, what we will do is we'll actually, in the next video, we'll actually add login as well as register.